Peace lilies are easygoing nature. Doesn't mean you won't face any issues. You could struggle with wilting, yellow leaves, or browning leaves. Here are the 5 reasons your peace lily leaves turning yellow. Reason number 5. Low humidity and fluctuating temperatures can sap moisture from the leaves and dry out the soil too quickly, which can cause the leaves to droop and turn yellow. Extreme temperature fluctuations can stress your peace lilies. The optimal temperature range for peace lilies is between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If the air around the plant gets too dry, it can cause yellow leaves. You can mist the peace lily every few days or situate in a steamy bathroom to solve this issue. You have to trim them if they are completely yellow. Reason number 4. Peace lily leaves are sensitive to direct sunlight, which causes them to scorch yellow and brown. Peace lilies thrive on forest floor of tropical jungles and often receive dappled shade rather than direct light. Peace lilies do best when given a bit of bright indirect sunlight and some partial shade. If given too much sunlight, peace lily leaves essentially get bleached yellow. Brown spots or streaks on the foliage are another symptom of too much light. Reason number 3. When watering houseplants like peace lilies, it's important to ensure good quality water. Using tap water can cause problems like yellowing leaves. This is due to the presence of chemicals in tap water like fluoride and chlorine. Use filtered water when watering your peace lily. Peace lilies need evenly moist yet well-draining soil. If the soil is too boggy or too dry, the leaves droop and turn yellow as a sign of stress. Reason number 2. Peace lilies leaves turn yellow after repotting. If they are repotted to a much larger pot, larger pots have a greater capacity for soil and therefore dry out more slowly after watering, which can cause root rot and result in yellow peace lily leaves. Only repot peace lilies if they are root bound. Check the holes in the pot. If roots are visible peeking out of the holes, the plant is ready to be repotted. Reason number 1. Too much water or bad drainage can cause pooling around the roots of your peace lilies. This causes root rot, which prevents the roots from taking up water and nutrients, ultimately causing the leaves to turn yellow. They prefer moist soil. They hate being waterlogged. Use your finger to check the soil. If it feels very wet, then the plant is being overwatered. If it feels dry or is pulling away from the edges of the pot, your peace lily is underwatered. If you are watering peace lilies more often than every 7 days, then the soil becomes too damp for the peace lily to tolerate, and this is the reason leaves are turning yellow and droopy. Hope you learned something today. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.